Hi, hello friends. Welcome everyone to my special video on Stratazon, the Amazon of trading strategies. 100% automated algo strategies for retail traders. In this video today, I am going to take you through a straightforward and simple journey towards the Stratazon fund. So friends, who are we? We are a scalable and disruptive group of algo traders from Bangalore. We are all techies. We spent about more than a decade in the IT industry before we ventured into this beautiful world of financial markets, particularly derivative markets. I've been trading in algorithms ever since 2015-16. I was one of the top 100 algo traders in India way back in 2015. I mean to say the retail algo traders. It's close to 6-7 years now in the world of algos, and we are currently managing close to about 8 crore funds, which with a target to manage at around 17 crore funds by the end of March 2023. That is our target. Algos are changing the Indian stock markets. In fact, the American markets have picked up big time long ago. Today, even Indian markets, majority of the execution are done through algos. A significant portion of market execution also involves strategies. We are proud to say that we are one of the very few organizations who do end-to-end fully automated algo trading. Please come in, let's deep dive into the deeper stories. So what is the problem statement? What is the biggest problem with all traders? 90% traders lose money, correct? Out of remaining 10%, another 90% of that 10% may not make money. So officially, finally, hardly 1% of the people will ever make money. And there is no guarantee that that 1% will ever meet FD returns. Recently, there was an article written by the CEO of Zerodha. He said, in the last 3 years, more than 90% of traders did not achieve FD returns. That is a harsh truth about financial markets. For your kind information, whatever you see in Twitter and Telegram where people put colorful screenshots of profits, that is not the real truth. That is Photoshop creativity. The real truth about markets always happens on the terminal. Okay, the article is an eye opener for the entire trading community. It gives a clear picture of what a typical retail trader will go through. First of all, why does those 99% traders lose money? First things first, lack of knowledge. Agreed? People start with some RSI 30, moving average 50, MACD, stochastics, pivot points, high-low breakouts, support resistance, double top, double bottom, triple top, triple bottom. Finally, that is not knowledge, that is indicator. Knowing all the indicators is fundamentally not knowledge. Knowledge of financial market is much broader in nature. Let's keep that aside for a minute. The second important reason is improper risk management. There was a beautiful article in the book Super Trader by Van Thup. Van Thup says, even if you don't have a good knowledge, a good strategy, but if you have a very good risk management, there is a high probability of you making money. However, with the best-in-class knowledge, without proper risk management, there is a sure shot scenario of making losses. Next, no position sizing. How many of you have 1 lakh, 2 lakh in your pocket, go and buy a Mercedes Benz? If I have 2 lakhs in my pocket, I don't even go to a Maruti showroom. Probably I will go to a Maruti True Value, correct? But traders takes 2 lakhs cash and take 5 lots Nifty. That is improper position sizing. Next, averaging the losses. the most dumbest thing a trader or an investor can do. I strongly believe in the model of averaging, not averaging but pyramiding the profit, which is the exact opposite to averaging the losses. Next is weak minds and fear of losses. Psychology is the biggest thing. Traders are driven by emotions. The emotions of greed, fear, stress, hunger, excess ambitions, persistence, pressure of delivery, and finally, no proper trading strategy. A trading strategy is not an entry, exit, stop loss story. That is not strategy. That is a trade. A proper trading strategy includes decent knowledge, proper risk management, respectable position sizing, structured processes, mind under control without any fear of losses. When you input all these things together, you would arrive at a reasonable and proper trading strategy. That is the biggest problem with traders today. So how are we going to address this problem? Our mission is to empower retail traders with 100% automated algorithms which can make reasonable returns with relatively lesser drawdowns. I don't take a strategy live if its drawdown is more than 30%. The lifetime drawdown or the maximum drawdown, if it is more than 30%, I will trash such strategies. I have never taken a strategy live without a minimum of 5 years of validation, which is about 60 months of backtest. So this is my financial mission. Double your capital in 3 to 4 years or grow your fund 10x in less than 10 years. You know what it means? If I say 10x in 10 years, it is 26% CAGR. If I can achieve 26% compounding, I will be able to reach my financial mission of 10x in 10 years. And it's not a small money. For your kind information, last quarter, we have recorded close to 12.5% profit, which is the first quarter of the financial year. So this financial year, I am already up 12.5%, but this month, for the month of July expiry, we are slightly in losses, around 1.5% loss. Even if you remove that, I am up 11% for this financial year so far, which is a great achievement as far as my ambitions, my projections and my targets are concerned. So with this process, if I am consistently able to achieve 26% compounding for the next say 10 years, you know how much my money grow to? My money will grow 100 times. I always tell this mission to people. My mission is simple: 25, 250, 25, which officially means I need to grow minimum 25% year on year and grow my capital by 250 times in the next 25 years. This is my mission, this is my dream, this is my ambition. We work in this direction. We don't want to double money every year, no. If I am able to double money every 3 to 4 years, I am sure I would have beaten the top 90, 95, 99% of the traders in this country. So my dream is simple. I don't want to beat the best trader in the planet. I want to beat the best performing mutual fund in the country. Alright, so that is my mission. In the subsequent videos, I am going to explain you how the Stratazon fund works. Alright, if you want to know more about this particular program, log into our website www.stratazon.in. With this, we successfully come to the end of the introduction session on Stratazon fund. I look forward to talk to you guys again more on this particular topic in the subsequent videos. Thank you very much.
Are you tired of stock market losses? Tired of hundreds of boring indicators and the frequent drawdowns? Do you want to understand how to trade markets without indicators? How institutions cheating the retail traders, and how to make fair and consistent trading methods? The answer is I3T3 Mega Webinar, India's most comprehensive and 100% money-back guarantee training program for stock market investing and trading. And what do you learn from this webinar? Techno fundamental investing, WD Gann techniques, precision price action trading, the option trading strategies, Algo trading, and also trading psychologies. So it is a package of 200 world-class investing and trading books jam-packed into the 12 days of webinar. And what you can expect from I3T, genuine training program with examples and assignments, no indicators, real-life examples, proven and reliable methods. And what you shouldn't be expecting is holy grail formulas, zero loss strategies, 90% win rate stories, get quick rich Ponzi schemes. And we also have students across the globe. The three things I3T always promises is 100% money back guarantee program, 100% brokerage credit, 100% lifetime learning. But that's not it. We have an early bird offer for you at just 35,000 rupees for first 25 students. So how do you enroll the I3T program? Simple. Just log on to www.i3t3.in or contact our webinar manager